Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome aboard United Flight 6 with service to Tokyo's Narita Airport. United is a proud member of the Airlines network. Please make sure all carry items are securely stowed either underneath the seat in front of you or in the overhead compartment. Approved personal electronic devices may be used while parked at the gate with the boarding door open. We'll advise you when they must be turned off and stowed prior to closing the boarding door. United Economy Plus seating is reserved for customers who have purchased those seats. If you're interested in purchasing an available Economy Plus seat, please ask a flight attendant for more details in flight. If you're seated in an exit row, please review the front of the safety card. If you cannot meet the standards or unwilling or unable to perform the actions possibly required of you without injury, please notify a flight attendant for reseating. Once again, you have boarded United Flight 6 with service to Tokyo's Narita Airport. Good morning and welcome aboard.